spiritual meaning of a rose. Roses hold a spiritual significance throughout history. Monks took care of rose gardens in the Middle Ages. Biblical scholars cite references to roses in the Bible. A single red rose, as the Alchemy Guild points out, symbolizes the mystic center. Soul. The rose is a symbol of the soul in the Muslim religion. Prophet Muhammad used roses as part of his spiritual practices. The fragrance of the rose reminds followers of the connection with their souls. Christianity. Roses appear in religious depictions of paradise. As the Reverend Theodore Kohler notes, the red rose stands for martyrs. The 5 petals of the rose signify the wounds of Christ. The Virgin Mary is the mystic rose. Colors. The color of a rose has spiritual significance. The white rose, the rose of confession, stands for pure spiritual love. White roses in a bridal bouquet represent a holy union. Red roses stand for sacrifice. Number. Giving a single white rose expresses forgiveness. A bouquet of a dozen roses means true love because 12 is considered by many religions as a complete cycle. 9 roses stand for eternal love. Mythology. Aphrodite is depicted with roses in her hair. Achilles' shield has a rose emblem. The Greek poet Sappho wrote about roses.